Yes.
Yes, I have idea of my brother.
Okay, I've seen that ID.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, it started.
Okay, so these all the MCQ and everything we have already seen. We have watched the video in which all these MCQs were given. So these are just example because every time I'm not given even example and directly I'm asking in the exam paper. But then also most of you attend also and answers are also right. So this time also in MCQ I will give variety of the MCQ, variety of the concepts. So this kind of MCQ also can be given that picture and from the picture questions will be asked about the then this also last to last year, even in the third and fourth standard also, this kind of exercise are given. That scale is given and the objects are also given. Do you remember last to last year also and last to last year also? Scale was given, then these objects were very given, then you have to measure.
Madam,
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to see this end that where in it ends. Okay, so I will zoom it and then you have to tell me. And here what is written that you have to say centimeter and millimeter both. Can you see the heading? Read
yes,
everyone.
ma'am. Measure the length of the following objects and write in cm, centimeter, and in millimeter.
Yes. So this is the question. Measure the length of the following objects and write in centimeter and millimeter both. So centimeter means that big arrow and millimeter means that small one. So now who wants to give the answer or first or shall I explain?
Ma'am, can I tell you?
Answer, Miss.
Centimeter went.
Ma'am,
First of you can say that how many centimeter means how many numbers went.
in
Ma'am,
centimeter, 4
You can see this is
4 centimeter.
here it is end, okay?
Yes. Ma'am, this is paper clip.
ma'am, and millimeter is 40 millimeter.
So you can see that it is not exactly 4 centimeter. You can see this much space is there.
Yes, ma'am.
So it
Zero
is
point 0.7 centimeter.
data I'm saying that it is not exactly 4 centimeter, but it ends before 4 only. That's why 3 centimeters are already there. 1, 2, and 3. So 3 centimeters are already there.
Yes.
Okay, complete.
Yeah.
Then here how many dots that you have to count. Okay, so
Okay, ma'am.
you can't see, but here 8 arrows are there. So it is 8 millimeter. Okay, understood?
Yes,
Cent-
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Centimeter means these numbers you have to count, these numbers. And millimeter means these small arrows. Is this clear or shall I repeat? Okay, I'm repeating only.
No, ma'am, it's
Centimeter,
clear.
centimeter means this number which are written on the scale. Numbers which are written on the scale, that is centimeter, and
And
after that centimeter completes after 3. So after 3, how many arrows are there that you have to count? That is millimeter, not these arrows. After 3 centimeter, how many arrows are there? No, that is millimeter.
yes, ma'am.
So again, I'm showing this.
In ma'am, this one, it's 15 centimeter.
And for BC, I'm giving 30 second. So after 30 second, you can write your name in the chat box if you want to give the answer for B and C.
Ma'am, today who is captain?
This Ifat, I have already told her because she sent no yesterday. That time only I told her in the message that you will be
Ma'am,
captain.
now you got that Kulsum and our first project.
I don't know. They didn't send me. I want to ask. I thought that they will join, so I will ask them.
Ma'am,
I
because you tell to me that I will send Wednesday.
yes. So now 10 second for this. that you have to see where it ends.
Ma'am, what?
Length of this.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, even arrows are also given that where it ends. That also.
Mm,
So you just have to see that where it ends. So big numbers, that numbers which are given on the scale, that is centimeter, and after that centimeter, how many arrows, that is millimeter. So you have to tell about centimeter also and millimeter also.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
If did you get any name in the chat box?
Yes, ma'am.
Whose name?
Iman and Muskan.
Okay, so first one Iman you can tell, and the next one Muskan.
centimeter, 15 centimeter
Yes.
and 9 millimeter.
No, here you can see 15 is complete, no? 15,
Yes,
it ends at 15. After
yes,
that, no arrows are there. So here 0, okay?
yes.
And Muskan, you tell me about the next.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it is 9 centimeter and
Wait, you have to see this much part. So in this much part, which is the biggest number is given? This much part you have to see.
biggest number 9.
9?
No,
Before
ma'am. 8.
8.
Ma'am, I am coming in to
Ma'am,
check.
8 centimeter and 7 millimeter.
My drawing is not good. That's why it's a little bit slant. It is 8 millimeter. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So again, I'm repeating. Now I'm translating also in Hindi. कोई भी एग्जाम में ऑब्जेक्ट दिया होगा, कोई भी चीज, पेंसिल या तो कोई भी निडल या तो ब्रश या तो नाइफ, कुछ भी, एंड स्केल also will be given, the same scale, and arrows and numbers will be written. तो जो भी ऑब्जेक्ट दिया है वो जहाँ पे एंड हो रहा हो, वहां पे ऐसा करना है कि कहाँ पे एंड हो रहा है, फिर वो एंड हो रहा है उससे पहले कौन सा नंबर है?
8 number.
हाँ, so that is 8 centimeter, and here it ends exactly on 15, so that is 15 centimeter. यहाँ पे वो exactly 8 पे end नहीं हो रहा है, तो 8 के बाद कितने arrow है, that you have to count. So when you will count properly means you will zoom and do. So zoom and do, huh? Because this way you will not understand. So that is millimeter. Now any doubt?
No, ma'am. No doubt.
No,
And,
ma'am. No doubt.
No, ma'am.
okay. And other all the students? This one is also very easy. So who wants to say about this? Where it ends, that you do see. So who wants to say?
Ma'am, I want to say. Can I quiz?
Yes, Kulsum. Say Kulsum.
Yes, ma'am. There is centimeter.
But how many?
Yes.
1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter.
3 centimeter.
3 centimeter.
Yes.
So everyone just take your pencil, scale, and put your pencil here. Means from 0, put your pencil here, and then see that what is the length. Okay, where it ends. Because if you will not measure anything at your home, you will not understand. So, so measure your pencil. Put
Ma'am,
your
ma'am, I
0.
measure my pencil.
Ma'am, I measure my pencil.
Okay.
Ma'am, it's 11 centimeter.
Ma'am,
O-
it is 13 centimeter.
Okay. But sometime it will be not exactly 13 or 11. Huh? There will be some arrows also more. Suppose if it is not ending exactly at 11. Suppose it's not exactly ending at 11, but here it is ending. Suppose
Ma'am, it was
your
10
Ma'am,
centimeter.
it is 12 centimeter.
suppose your pencil is ending here.
Ma'am, my pencil is ending after 11. It means in between of 11. Not
Okay.
ma'am, in
Suppose
12 and 11 between.
suppose it's ending here. Here is your pencil, okay? I have put your pencil here. It ending here. So what will be the what you will write in centimeter and millimeter? I said no in centimeter that number before
Ma'am,
that
it
line.
is 10 centimeter.
Later, ma'am.
Yes. So before this line, which number is there? Which number?
10.
10.
10. Ma'am,
That is 10 centimeter. And after that, how many arrows are there? That will be millimeter.
मैम
Okay.
अब मैंने पेन रखी ना तो उसमें 15 सेंटीमीटर से भी बढ़कर है.
Okay. Means your pencil is long. You can use other scale or you can use a short pencil.
Ma'am, it is 5 millimeter.
Hmm. So you can see I have already written the answer in that only. That in this both millimeters are not there because it is exactly 15 and 5. That's why millimeter is 0. But here there are millimeter also because it's end here and 3 is given. So 3 and that after that millimeter. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Any other doubts or shall I repeat?
No, ma'am, no doubt.
No ma'am, no doubts.
Ma'am, I have one doubt.
Yes, say.
Ma'am, in first one.
First one you have to see where it ends. तो ये कहाँ खत्म होता है?
Ma'am, we have to measure this scale with
No, no, not this scale. You have to measure this. See here it is given. यहाँ पे जो ये सब पिन है वो सब चीजें दी है ना.
paper pin.
हाँ के वो कहाँ एंड हो रहा है. तो यहाँ पे मैंने लाइन कर दी है कुलसुम.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ तो वो लाइन के पहले कौन सा नंबर है? स्केल में सब नंबर.
Line के पहले 3.
हाँ लाइन के पहले 3.
3.
सो 3 सेंटीमीटर. फिर लाइन के पहले और 3 के बाद कितने एरोज है वो काउंट करने हैं. सो 8.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so 8 arrows means that is millimeter.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Arrows means millimeter and before line whichever number is given that is centimeter. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you send PDF. We have to write in Fairbook.
I have already sent in the group.
No, ma'am. We have to write in Fairbook or otherwise textbook. That's
I'm
why
not
I'm asking. I
yet
see.
means, when you have not joined no. Today only I've told them that like Meherin also doesn't have textbook. So if you don't have textbook, you can do Xerox from someone of that many page only, or otherwise you can take out print of this. Means if you want to print of this, you can take out print of this. Means if you want to do practice, and if you are comfortable with PDF, then it's okay. You can learn from PDF.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, but in PDF, sometimes our mobile is not charged.
What?
Man, the Iman is saying sometime my mobile have not charge.
So for some time you can use mobile for only this thing which are not in the textbook or in the fair book. Which you have already written in the fair book. For that you have to use fair book only, not mobile. Okay. Then what is the heading you can see?
Measure the length of the following object and write in millimeter.
Only millimeter, not in centimeter and millimeter, but only millimeter. So when only millimeter is given, you have to count all the arrows.
Oh my god.
Yes. So till here you have to count the arrows till here. Okay. So
Okay, ma'am.
these are how many arrows here?
Ma'am, here
Here
are
are one arrow.
One arrow.
Yes.
It is divided into 10 parts. Then here,
here
10 arrow is there.
how many parts?
One.
ma'am. Ma'am, this too we have to count
Yes. How
uh,
much?
Ma'am,
from
after 10.
0, 1, 2, 3.
Ma'am, then 10. Sorry, 8.
Here 10 parts, 10 parts, 10 parts, and here 8. So what is the total?
18. Sorry, ma'am, 38.
38.
30.
So that is 38 millimeter. Okay.
38 millimeter.
Okay, ma'am.
Then here also it is still 15.
Go.
So all 10, here 10, 10, 10, that way, everywhere 10.
10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10,
If you
10,
count all the 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, how many millimeter will be there?
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80,
1600.
20, 21, 22, 23. Second.
Ma'am, we have to count
Then
10 times now.
1600.
No, no.
1500.
It's end here, no, Sayeda. See, 16 is not given.
Yes,
15.
yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am, 1500.
Yes.
not 1500, 150.
Sorry.
So count with me, okay, everyone? Count with me. Here 10, then here 20, then
Then 30.
then
30.
30,
40.
40,
50.
50,
60. 70. 70.
70,
70,
80.
80,
90.
90,
90,
20.
100,
120, 130, 140,
140, and
150.
150.
150
Answer is 150.
millimeter. Okay?
Done.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Now these two you have to do by yourself right now only.
Okay, ma'am.
Then I will show the answer, then you can match. So
Ma'am,
just
we
think
have to
30,
centimeter.
50.
millimeter only. Means you have to count all the arrows from here till
Ma'am, I
here.
got first one answer.
Good,
And
very
now
good.
second.
Ma'am, I also got.
Ma'am, I also.
Ma'am, answer is 50.
50,
Good,
60.
good.
Yes, ma'am, answer is 50.
And ma'am, in first one, it's
Wait. Okay,
one,
now I think everyone has got. So you can see the answer.
38 millimeter, 150 millimeter, 88 millimeter, and 50 millimeter.
So is there any doubt?
No, ma'am,
No,
nothing.
ma'am.
No doubt.
Ma'am, nothing.
Ma'am, nothing.
Okay. You just have to count that small arrow from that zero to where it ends. वो ऑब्जेक्ट जहाँ खत्म होता है ना वहां तक के एरो सिर्फ वहां तक के उससे आगे नहीं ऑब्जेक्ट जहाँ खत्म होता है वहां तक
Measure the length of the following object and write on it.
now this is the next so here also only last word is changed you can see
Measure the length of the following object and write in centimeter.
now we
Only.
write in centimeter so when we have to write in centimeter now we just have to put point between that so I'm explaining that
Yeah. Then we have to uh,
Ma'am, your screen is blur.
no, ma'am,
No,
it's only
ma'am.
clear, nothing
It
blur.
is okay.
No, ma'am, it's clear only. It's nothing. It's not blur.
Sorry, voice.
so everyone you can see this that it ends here तो जो ऑब्जेक्ट है वो कहाँ खत्म होता है, वहां पे पहले लाइन, मतलब ऐसी लाइन की हुई है, बट देखना है कि कहाँ पे खत्म हो रहा है. So here it ends.
3.8 centimeter.
So we have to see that centimeter. So 3, because 3 उससे पहले, before that end, 3 is written, and then after that 8 arrow means 0.8. So that's why 3.8. So that is that number, and 8 that is arrow.
Ma'am, but ma'am, we can see answer.
I know. If you want to do, I am showing just question.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
15
And
centimeter, ma'am.
15 centimeter.
Yes, that in fact millimeters are not there. That's why.
2 millimeter.
So here 15 centimeters.
15
This one is last is 5 centimeters. So only this
and this
3.
is 5 centimeter. And
Centimeter.
So it,
8.8 centimeter.
and ma'am down.
so your answer is right.
Meter.
8.
5 meter.
8 centimeter, 15
And 5
centimeter,
centimeter.
8.8 centimeter,
20
and
centimeter, 50 centimeter.
5 centimeter.
Are you doubt in this?
Sir, it's right.
No, ma'am, no doubt. Nothing. Okay.
So in the textbook also you can see this one is given. So if you have a textbook, you can open that and write in that.
Yes, ma'am.
Measure, give your answer in A centimeter and mm, B centimeter and C millimeter.
So these 3 way they have given that, write in say centimeter and millimeter also. Only centimeter means point will come, and millimeter means all the arrows you have to count.
Number
Answer is written, ma'am.
I know.
3 centimeter, 3 millimeter, 3.3 centimeter and 3 millimeter.
So now we will see that where it ends.
Okay. Ma'am, but it's only 4 only.
Yes.
And
That
in whole scale there was 15 numbers.
hmm.
3 centimeter, 3 millimeter, 3.3 centimeter and 3.
So now I am showing you everyone. Just see that here also this object is given, and it ends. No, there I have put line. So now before that line, which number is given? Which number is written?
Before this line, which number is written?
On the
3. 3 is written.
yeah. And other student, what is your answer? Iman is saying that before line 3 is
3.
written.
Ma'am, my answer is 3 only.
Ma'am,
Okay.
3.
Okay.
Ma'am, my
So you can
answer
see
is
before
3
this line
only.
3 is written. So that is 3 centimeter. And after that 3. And before line, how many arrows are there? These parts.
3.
How many parts are there?
3
Ma'am,
millimeter.
3
Ma'am,
millimeter.
1 part.
So 3 parts are there. So this millimeter that is parts. And this 3 centimeter that is number which is written.
And 3.3 centimeter, it means that 3.3 centimeter, it means that 3 and 3 arrows.
Everywhere you can see 3 is only coming. 3
Okay.
centimeter. Then they are joining that and they are making 33 millimeter and 3.3 centimeter. Okay, even if you will count all the arrows, here 10 arrow, 20, 30, and this the 33.
That's from it will be 33 millimeter.
Okay, here also you can see 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
3 centimeter, 2 millimeter, 3.2 centimeter, and 32 millimeter.
Okay, where this ends, so that only you have to see.
Okay, ma'am.
It ends at
It ends at 3.
3.1
Huh.
millimeter.
3 centimeter, and then after 2 parts are there, 2 arrows.
Huh.
Okay, is this clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
It's clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. So you can see this one also, that here in your textbook it ends here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It ends here. So before this line, which number is given in the scale?
Before just line, that zero is given.
Zero is given.
Zero.
Zero.
So that's why 0 centimeter.
Okay, ma'am.
And then
It's too small.
yes. And then arrows or parts. So 6. That's why 6 millimeter. Then you just have to join these two and put a point. And here,
0.6
so 0,
centimeter.
6 arrows, so 6 millimeter. So is this clear or do you have any doubts?
No, ma'am, clear.
No, ma'am, nothing.
Ma'am, clear.
No, ma'am,
No,
clear.
ma'am, nothing. No doubts.
Okay.
Ma'am, but I have one doubt as
Say what?
what how to do it. This 1 meter is divided into 100 equal parts.
But this I have just shown. I am explaining. So this one you have already learned, I think so. That 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter, or like 1 rupee equals to 100 paise.
Excuse me, Zainab ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, Zainab. How to convert meter to centimeter and centimeter to millimeter? Yes, ma'am.
So all these we have already learned. So just revise that we can start next.
Centimeter to millimeter and millimeter to centimeter. Yes, ma'am.
So just see that this 1 centimeter is also divided into 10 parts. That's why 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then we use kilometer also sometime while traveling or somewhere. So one
Yes.
kilometer equals to 1,000 meter. Now to convert centimeter to millimeter, we have to just multiply by 10. You can multiply with 10 if you want to convert centimeter to millimeter. Means from big number to small unit. From big unit to small unit, we have to multiply by 10.
Multiply with 10 if I...
Done.
From noises
Then this
coming.
one also, but here you have to just divide by 10. Okay,
Yes.
from millimeter to centimeter. If we are converting from centimeter to millimeter, we have to multiply by 10. But here we have to divide by 10. Even at last, one table is also given. I have put in these also.
Yes, ma'am, you had shown.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, you had
So you can see this one.
kilometer to
Yes,
100
ma'am,
meters.
you have shown.
Multiplying kilometers with 1000, you get meters.
Suppose if I'm saying,
Multiplying meters with
1,000 meter
100, you
multiplies
get
kilometers with
centimeter.
1,000 get meters.
Multiplying centimeter with 10, you get millimeters.
suppose if I'm asking that 9 centimeter equals to how many millimeter? 9 centimeter equals to how many millimeter?
It's got
Just student, what is your answer?
900 is also that only.
Answer? You have to just remember that 1 centimeter equals to how many millimeter?
10 millimeter.
9 millimeter. 900 millimeters.
No, ma'am, it will be 90 millimeter.
Upside, upside.
Ma'am, 90 millimeter.
Yes, ma'am, 90 millimeter.
Just have to remember that 1 centimeter equals to how many millimeter? Okay?
10 millimeter.
10 millimeters.
9 millimeter equal to 10 millimeter.
10 millimeter.
That's why here 9 multiplied by 10. So you get 9.
So, 9 millimeter
So here
equal to
this
10
can
millimeter.
multiply centimeter. Yes.
And so you sent today no that PPT.
Huh. If first I will ask to Arfa and Kulsum, why didn't you send? I was waiting for you and Arfa. You were saying that you will send.
Ma'am, but I sent it today at 4 o'clock. Ma'am, but my sister, small sister, have मैंने फॉरगॉट मेरी बहन ने ना वो खराब कर डाला था ना तो मैंने दूसरा बनाया इसलिए मैं आज 4 o'clock को सेट करूँ.
So once you can see here everything is written कि जब सेंटीमीटर में से मिलीमीटर में कन्वर्ट करना हो so you have to multiply by 10 from meter to centimeter so you have to multiply by 100 why because 1 meter equals to how many centimeter
1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter.
100 centimeters.
100 centimeter.
and for kilometer to meter so 1 kilometer equals to how many millimeter
So
how
we
many
went 1,000 kilometer.
yes
1,000
so you have to
meter.
multiply by 1000 here 100 here 1000 and here 10 you can see 10 100 and 1000
Oh,
okay
yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
and here also that only 10 100
Converting smaller units to bigger units.
but you have to divide here because suppose if I'm saying 300 paise
What living no, I don't understand this one.
300 paise equals to how many rupees
3 rupees.
3 rupee.
and other student what is your answer for this 3 paise equals to how many rupees
3
300
paise to
300 this
300 paise to 3 rupees.
another student only 2 3 students have given me answer.
3 rupees.
No, 3 rupees.
3 rupees.
Now those who have not given me answer please say not the same student
Ma'am,
and if I am saying 3 rupees equals to how many paise
so it's 300 paise.
300 paise.
here 3 rupees so here what you are doing from rupees to 100 paise you are multiplying by 100 no
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
and here what you are doing
Divided.
yeah you are dividing by 100 yes very good so same way if it is given 2 centimeter equals to how many millimeter so 20 because you multiply and if it is given that 20 millimeter equals to how many centimeter
2 centimeter. 2 centimeter.
because you divide by 10 okay opposite like rupees and paise
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you sent today at 4 o'clock no PDF.
but then I will not wait today is the last day that I will wait
Yes, ma'am. You waited to 4 o'clock till 4 o'clock, then you send it 4 and 1.
girls are can't wait no they want that's why
Yeah, yes, ma'am. But you wait today onwards only. I send it 4 o'clock. Otherwise, I don't send. No, then you give him PDF.
okay and girls did I give this worksheet before in the homework
Ma'am, you can
Yes, ma'am.
yesterday also
Yes,
give.
ma'am. You can.
and Taiba is written in that box. Taiba 1 to 3.
let her write
Ma'am,
so here what is given 6 centimeter equals to how many millimeter
60 millimeter.
and say the answer wait now everyone will think and then you do say so first do you remember that 1 centimeter equals to how many millimeter that I want to know so I'm
Yes, ma'am. Repeat the
ma'am,
question.
just
60
try to
millimeters.
see if you remember this right
60 millimeter.
Ma'am, uh,
1 centimeter
equals
is equal
to
to 10 millimeter.
millimeter. 10
Centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter.
Ma'am,
Chat box is available today. 10 millimeter.
no one is written name.
and if you can't remember याद ना रहता हो कि 1 centimeter equals to how many millimeters so remember your scale that in your scale between two numbers how many parts are there
10.
10 parts. Okay, so in your scale between 0 and 1, 10 parts are there. So 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter.
10 millimeter.
6 means 6.
Zainab ma'am,
Okay.
60
today,
millimeter.
Zainab ma'am, today chat box is available.
Yes, yes, I know. And from millimeter to centimeter, you have to divide by 10 only. So who knows
5,
the answer?
Six,
5 centimeter. Ma'am, I
5
know.
cent.
5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter.
So this one, I
5
think.
millimeter.
And afterward, you can match your answer from these, huh? Those who have done the homework from this
Ma'am,
PDF.
which page number is there? You send in the group again.
What?
अरे यार हम नो कर रहे हैं यार बोर्ड ढूंढिए हमारे
Today, this. Ma'am, it is extra, no?
Yeah, 850. So same.
Zainab ma'am, your screen is gone.
But it is 850. That's why.
Okay, ma'am.
And who's
Okay,
like
ma'am.
this?
Ma'am, just ma'am, Ruby ma'am joined.